Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to recycle some broken speakers and transform them into a mini generator. Let's see how I make it happen. First, remove the magnet and the pole piece. Next, take a piece of PVC plastic to make a support stand for the generator's rotating shaft. Then, I attach two pole pieces in place. To generate enough voltage from this mini generator, the magnet rotor needs to spin at a very high speed, and this belt wheel helps achieve that speed. Next, the two magnets are the most crucial parts of the generator. I'll secure one magnet at the bottom and use two small shafts to support the magnet on top. I use an eccentric wheel to convert the motion into reciprocating motion. It transforms the high-speed rotational motion into a repeated up and down movement. This reciprocating motion can be used to push a magnet and generate electricity. Next, I need to use a DC motor to convert the mechanical energy from the rotating shaft into electrical energy. Then, just add speaker wire and a socket to connect the electrical device to the power generated by the DC motor. All done. Let's check out our finished product. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.